Welcome everyone.
Especially our guest from the SkyDrive team, Tomohiro Fukuzawa-san. Tomohiro Fukuzawa-san, who has clearly told me to call him as Tom. He prefers to be addressed as Tom. We have Sumi Miyauchi-san, Yoshimi Yamamoto-san, and Takashi Fuji-san. Welcome to India and welcome to Hyderabad. I am Meenu Bagla and I am the Chief Marketing Officer at Cyient. And we are here to witness the signing of MoU between Cyient and SkyDrive, which is first of its kind partnership by SkyDrive with an India-based global enterprise. And this MoU represents the joint promise of Cyient's design, engineering and manufacturing excellence and your innovation expertise in advanced air mobility. And as we say in eVTOL language, let's take off. So I'm going to invite our CEO, Mr. Karthikeyan Natarajan, and Tomohiro Fukuzawa-san to come on the stage and do the signing of the MoU. We also have the honor of having Dr. B.V.R. Mohan Reddy in the room. So please join us on the stage and grace us with a photo opportunity with your gracious presence. A big round of applause, team.